Jewelry photo retouching services, enhancing the beauty of your jewelry images. Jewelry photo retouching is the process of enhancing and perfecting jewelry images using specialized techniques and software. It involves correcting common issues such as reflections, color imbalances, scratches, and blemishes to create stunning visuals that accurately represent the jewelry's true beauty. The goal of jewelry photo retouching is to make the jewelry pieces look even more appealing and attractive to potential customers. Understanding jewelry photo retouching. To overcome these challenges, professional retouchers employ various techniques such as background removal, color correction, focus stacking, and gemstone enhancement. Benefits of jewelry photo retouching. Consistent image styling, color schemes, and high-quality visuals help to establish a recognizable and memorable brand. How to choose a jewelry photo retoucher. Experience and expertise. Look for a retoucher who specializes in jewelry photo retouching and has extensive experience in the field. Quality of previous work. Review the retoucher's portfolio to assess the quality of their previous jewelry retouching projects. Ensure that their style aligns with your brand image and requirements. Turnaround time and customer support. Check if the retoucher can deliver the edited images within your desired time frame. Also, consider their level of customer support and responsiveness. Pricing and affordability. Compare the pricing of different retouching services while considering quality. Choose a retoucher that fits within your budget without compromising on quality. Client testimonials and reviews. Read testimonials and reviews from previous clients to gauge the satisfaction level and reliability of the retoucher's services. Tips for successful jewelry photo retouching. Jewelry photo retouching tips. High-quality photography. Start with well-lit, high-resolution images that capture the fine details and sparkle of the jewelry. Proper lighting and background setup. Use diffused lighting techniques and choose an appropriate background that complements the jewelry. A light tint or a white sweep can help minimize unwanted reflections. Focus on details and fine-tuning. Pay attention to minute details, such as removing dust, scratches, or unwanted reflections. Adjust colors and contrast to enhance the visual appeal. Consistency in image style and branding. Maintain a consistent visual style across your jewelry images to create a cohesive and recognizable brand identity. Collaborating with a retoucher. Communicate your specific requirements and vision to the retoucher. Regularly provide feedback during the editing process to ensure the desired outcome. Conclusion. Jewelry photo retouching services offer the expertise and techniques needed to enhance the beauty and appeal of your jewelry images.